Hello, and we're back. Welcome back, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I have not uploaded a video in a couple of weeks. If you are not new to my channel, then you will know that it is because I moved. Our whole family moved, and there's just been a lot going on, and I thought I'd be back in a week, but really just needed the time to get settled in our new place and just, you know, get all of the things going. So I had, let's just jump right in here, this, you know, beautiful Texas cover on my planner, but I am ready to change things up. And as you guys probably know, or maybe you don't know, that EC came out with these really pretty vegan or, you know, faux leather covers, and I'm ready to switch up to the purple, I think. And let's just go ahead and take this off. And if you hear an echo, it is because there is an echo. I now do not have any carpet in my office. I've never been more thankful in my life. But again, I need to get like a carpet or something for my office because it can be a little echoey. All right, let's get this backside on. Oh, it matches the pocket. I love a good matchy situation here. So I also realized that I probably need to place another like planner Kate order sometime soon. I kept seeing folks like use some of her newer kits, and I was like, why don't I have that? It's because I'm in my, you know, use what you have era, and I don't actually have a lot of planner Kate anymore because I was focused so much on using what I had. But I don't have some of her like late summer and some early fall stuff, so I might place an order soon. I am using kit 514 this week. Per usual, I have everything. I ordered like parts of the journaling kit and things like that. I might set that aside. I'm just, you know, trying to hop back into all of the things. So this is the week of July 17th through July 23rd, and I am using the Erin Condren hourly. Here's that other part of the journaling kit. Not exactly sure what all I'm going to use, but I'm trying to spread everything out here so that I can see everything. But per usual, we are going to start with the date covers. And of course, I had to grab my handy dandy Laurel Denise tweezers. I am obsessed with these things. All right, so let's talk how the move went. So everything went pretty smoothly. We had a really good experience with our movers for the most part. You know, moving always, you know, something always happens, right? We had some damage to some of our items. I actually just finished filing the claim yesterday because I just hadn't gotten around to it, and, you know, just trying to get settled and everything like that. I wish that I could say that we are completely unpacked, but that is just not the reality because we got here and then, you know, everyone immediately like had to go to work and just regular life. You know, that's how life is. So we're kind of just squeezing in unpacking as we can. I would say we're about 90% unpacked. Okay, maybe more like 85%. But we're not in that bad of shape. I'm very, very glad that we purged a lot of our things before we moved here because it was just, it was brutal. We had more than what we needed. So I think I shared this with you guys. So we had a moving survey, you know, for the moving company come out about a month or so before we moved, and they do like a whole estimate, like how much crap do you have, right? They estimated us at 15,000 pounds. And I was like, are you sure? Again, I also knew that we were going to be getting rid of a lot of things, so it just wasn't that big of a deal. Again, it was just an estimate so that they know like what size truck we need, how many people we need to have come pack us up, things like that. I'm very proud to say that we were nowhere near close to the 15,000 pounds. We were like right at 8,000 pounds. I was so curious. Like when the driver arrived at our house, I was like just curious, like what was our final weight? And when he told us, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually quite proud. All right, date covers are in. Let's work on maybe the sidebar and some washi tape. I feel like I want to use the washi tape from the journaling kit because it's got that sort of like cut out look to it, and I think it's really, really pretty. I'm also getting used to the lighting in here. When I tell you it is bright, it is very bright. I actually had to lower the settings on my camera because I was like, whoa, things are very blown out. But what I'm looking at in my viewfinder right now on my camera, it actually looks pretty darn nice. You guys will have to let me know. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of adjusting with each video, and you guys know I'm not, if you've been around for a bit, I'm not a fan of studio lights whatsoever. You just can't change my mind about that. I'm so sorry. But I'm not a fan of studio lights at all. I would rather that they just, I don't know. I get it. You have to use it because you have to film whenever you can. But that's why I make it a point to film either during the day on the weekends, just during the day, period, because natural light is just so awesome. All right, let's also put down this weekend sticker, but I feel like I want to put a little bit of some washi behind it. But which one? Probably this one because it's different from the others. I have been ordering full boxes simply because, I was also going to say simply because you're near me, because I felt like we were going to have a singing moment, but we are not. I will spare you. I ordered the full boxes because moving from a smaller planner like the A5 plum paper planner to the 7x9 hourly, I just kind of fill it up for decoration. Those are literally just the reasons why. So that's what works for me. I know on this sheet there is a this week sticker, but I believe there's also one on this one. This sheet, you know what? I love the weekend sticker better. Let's switch it up. I knew I was going to do this. That's fine. We can use the weekend sticker in the daily, maybe, or just save it for another spread. I love this font so much. So much. All right. I know that there's a this week sticker on here, but I'm not going to lie. This sticker sheet overwhelms me because I can't ever find anything. It takes me like 3 times longer than most people to find what I'm looking for. Okay. I've looked several times. There's not a this week sticker on here, but there is this one. And do we have any sort of skinny event labels? I think that this will work. If not, I will use, I think I want to use something else. I love using pieces of the journaling kit. Also, I love the stitched event labels. This is why I can never make up my mind about anything. You know, I'll get there. I'll get there one day. Okay, that is done. So there are, with the new EC Hourly, some habit trackers down here. I don't know that I'm going to use that this week, so I may just place another full box. Actually, I may just do a full box, and then the meal plan can go here, and then that'll leave me with a couple of spaces for some to-dos. I never need to fill this up like from top to bottom, so that will work for me. Let's see if there is a meal plan sticker. If not, is there one over here? Again, it just takes me so long to find stickers on here. There's an out to eat sticker. That's okay. I think I'm just gonna put the little fork then right here, and then I will just write in the meal plan. That's gonna have to work. Okay, so what are we doing this week? I think I'm gonna put this work sticker. There was one on here and it's hiding from me, I swear. I'm gonna use this for work, even though I work all week, but I'm going to use a washi strip to kind of take that across the week, because I'm not going to put a whole lot of work details in here. It's just going to be any sort of like major things. Actually, let's put work on top. I feel like I'm in such an awkward position with where my camera is, but again, it's just going to take some adjusting. So one of the items that got messed up is my desk. They snapped the top of it off, and I say they loosely. I mean, I don't really know how it happened, so that is totally fine, but they basically showed me that my desk was just unusable. Like, even to try to set the top of it on the desk was not going to work. So that's fine. I added it to the claim. Hopefully that can get fixed here shortly. I've never had to file a claim for this much furniture damage, so I don't really know what all that looks like, you know. I think for Monday through Friday, I'm just gonna plop in some of these really pretty full boxes because again, the majority of my day is filled with work. Not complaining at all. But it is what it is, you know? And so speaking of plum paper, I don't know if you guys have seen, plum paper has like this neutral, like new covers, and they've reduced, or they have like no highlighting now. I was just completely blown away, and I think I'm going to have to order another one of their planners. And I was like, I did not plan to do that. I did not plan to do that. So, okay, Monday, we have to go over our budget situation. That has to happen for sure. Moving obviously takes a huge toll on the budget, and we just need a little bit of a reset, that's for sure. And the other thing I want to try to make time for each evening, whether it's like yoga, weights, that type of thing, is going to be some form of working out. And I'm going to use these stitch labels for that. I thought about moving it to the morning now that I have a little bit more flexibility with my schedule being full-time work from home. But for now, I'm going to keep it in the evenings because I do support an East Coast team right now. And so I kind of have to get up much earlier. Whereas when that part of this project comes to an end, I don't have to focus on it quite as much, and I can probably shift my start time to a little bit later, moving my move goals and things like that to the morning time. Because I would really like it if I could work out in the morning. It's just right now I'd have to wake up even earlier than what I was waking up before. All right, I'm gonna put workout in these boxes and just like a quick little check box. Okay, those are all in there. Again, those aren't like strenuous workouts. It's going to be some time for me to do some yoga, go on a quick walk, maybe take the dog on a walk. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. Okay, big task for Tuesday is that we have got to call TRICARE. My goodness, we have to change our region that we're in, get provided with information that we will need for new doctors, things like that. I have a multitude of health issues that I'm being treated for. And yeah, we've got to get all that situated. So I almost want to put like a don't forget sticker on here because my goodness, that was one of the things I'd hoped we'd get done last week, but last week again was just getting situated, settled, all of that. And then Tuesday evening, I'm going to spend some time editing a video because again, I want to get back on track with getting content up for you guys. It may just start off one video this week, one video next week. I might try to do 2 this week, but I don't want to overextend myself. And that's one thing that I did not realize with moving was how out of whack my schedule was going to be every day, and I really did feel bad not getting content up, but oh man, I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. We were spending so much time getting everything set up. All right, so on Wednesday I do have a Zoom call at 7, and it is also our laundry day. It's always laundry day for us, I feel like. And I am obsessed with these little script stickers combined with the little icon there. Those are so freaking cute. All right, Wednesday is also a payday, so let's get that in there. I think that there might be a payday sticker on here as well. I like the little like piggy bank, but I think I'm actually gonna cover it up with the dollars because I think that that's a little bit more my style. All right, Thursday. I don't think we actually have too much going on Thursday, so I think I'm going to leave that blank for right now. I may actually get some filming done on Thursday. That might be a good chance to catch up with what I need to do for the upcoming week. Try to film a couple of videos there. All right, and then Friday is our trash day. I love that that pretty much stayed the same for us. as it did in Georgia. I was telling my friends that one of the things that I absolutely love about this area is their trash pickup system. So they have like a bulk trash pickup 4 times a year. We only got it once a year while living in Georgia. It really sucked. It really sucked. Like if you're trying to consistently stay on top of decluttering your home, it's really difficult when there's not a bulk trash system in place. And then they also have a program where you can actually bring your stuff to the dump like once a month free of charge, which I thought was really, really cool. Okay, Friday night, I believe that's going to be a movie night for us. I cannot commit to coming back with Friday Night Live just yet, simply because I have several Zoom calls this week, and I feel like I don't want to be in my office past like a certain point. Like I want to like really focus on family time and not constantly be in my office on one call after another and then adding a live to that. So since I have extra calls this week, I think we may try to bring it back next week. I mean, I did say on my last Friday Night Live it wouldn't be back till the end of July, so that's like perfectly fitting. So I'm just gonna grab the movie night sticker for us, and then a little bit of popcorn sounds good. Is there a movie night sticker on here? There's a TV night, date night, coffee time. I love that, that's for sure. We'll just put that down. If there's a movie night on here, I didn't see it. All right, Saturday morning, I think we are going to go to our favorite little coffee spot that Kayla and I have found. Obsessed with it. We went a couple of times last week. That's gonna happen. I also want to focus on the meal plan, which turned to complete and utter trash this week and last week. Again, understandable with moving and things like that, but I want to come up with a more realistic meal plan, and hopefully that'll be something that we actually stick to. Okay, and then Sunday, obviously some grocery time there. Right now we're just trying to figure out what our favorite grocery store here is. There are several options for us, but right now we're just sticking to the one that's closest to us, so that's working for now. Also, my hand totally slipped off the edge of the notebook, so that is a hot mess. On Sunday, we need to bathe our dogs because, oh my gosh, yeah, they just need to be bathed. All right, and I think so far that is going to be it for the week. I really like how this turned out. I'm hoping I can get back into like my planner groove. I still have to put in the weather in here. I think I'm going to get that done here in the next day or two as the days get closer. Literally, it should just say like on fire every day, because we've had several days that are over 3 digits here, and that is just, it's a whole that's a whole nother topic about how freaking hot it is here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me today, and hopefully in the future, as I get back to posting more videos each week for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.